Okay, 2.5 drams of powder, which now go down the barrel, goes into the pocket, get out a wad. It's a piece of wadding. Put in shot, and that would be about 1.5 ounces a shot, and so the thin piece of card goes in over the top, and that goes down over the top of the shot. Ready to go. Now need to put a little powder in the pan, like so, just enough. Close the pan.